Both of you coming to see me? What's up?
We have a problem. I found the number of encrypted files on the Vegas core processing system. The encrypting appears to have stopped, but it has affected network response times and impacting operations.
Any idea what could be causing this?
Well, it appears to have started early this morning. We installed the tax document module update from BSP on the Vegas system last night. It shouldn't have caused this, but that's the only recent change we've made.
We need to tell Alice, and in the meantime, pull out our incident response plan. You should get back to the network. We need to recover operations as soon as possible. Keep us updated.
Files on the Vegas systems were encrypted earlier today by a virus or malware, which has affected operations. Network's response has slowed, and employees cannot access all the information they need. This looks a lot like a ransomware attack, but we haven't received our ransom note yet, and we still haven't determined how it happened. John can probably restore the files once we know the system's clean.
I suggest we activate our incident response plan since it is impacting processing.
Agreed. Helen, I would like you to come with me to inform Eric. Anna, you can go help John.
It might be worse than we thought. Right after the encryption completed this morning, the system log showed several zip files leaving the bank. What I determined so far was that the zip files contain copies of the encrypted files from the Vegas system. It looks like some type of data extraction malware.
What? All right. The three of you should go back to determining what happened, what information left the bank, and fixing the problem. It appears that we have been hit by malware that encrypted several files on the Vegas system and also extracted that data from the network. Now, IT is trying to determine how it happened and exactly what was taken.
Is that why the network's so slow?
I just heard from the data center manager at the State Bank of Town City. When they tested the tax update for the Vegas software by BSP, it began encrypting files on the test system, and they canceled the update.
Are you telling me that our vendor sent us malware? How did this happen? Don't we test updates before installation?
BSP just sent an alert to not install their latest update. The code they used from a third-party programmer was corrupt and is causing problems.
Eric, we usually hold off installation for a week to 10 days to let others test the update. But with end-of-year processing and the need to get the tax documents out, we didn't wait with this update. If we had known that BSP was using contract programmers, we would have waited to see if there were any problems.
This is not good. What's our plan?
We can clean and rebuild the Vegas system with last night's backup so we can return operations to normal. But it will take a few hours.
We should probably retain a copy of the system and logs so we can find out exactly what happened, and also to support our claim for the cost associated with this outage.
Okay, so we need to notify our employees that the computer system is down, but that we're still open for business. We're going to be switching to manual tickets until the system is back to normal operations. I'll get started working on a few talking points so that our customer service reps will be able to answer questions. Once we know what data has been stolen, let's meet to discuss next steps and any messages we might need to issue. Is there anything else?